this video, I will show you how to fix Google Play Pass cannot apply offer problem. So if you're facing such problems, then it might be because of multiple reasons. First one being, if you have already used that offer code, then you might not be able to use it again in another device. Or if your device has been newly logged in, then it might take about 15 days to load up all the information and offers and verify your account. So that might be the reason for delay. It can simply be fixed within 15 to 20 days. Or if your account is in free trial mode in somewhere, then you'll again not be able to use your Google Play Pass offers. If you have no such problems, then the reason might be because Google Play Pass is not available in your geographical region. So if the offer code is meant for US or Australia, then you will not be able to use it in your country if you're not there. Now, one final thing is, if you have no such issue but you're still not able to use them, then what you can do is simply click and hold on to Google Play Store icon. Then click on More Features. Then go to App Info. From here, click on Force Stop, then confirm it. Then go to Storage Uses. Here you'll see Clear Cache written in bright red. Simply click on it. And after that, you can simply try to restart your phone. Press and hold on to the power button. Then turn the slider upwards and let it restart. After that, you can try reloading Play Store again and it should start working. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.